most of the people making $1 million per month by using this business idea. So this is the day 3 of business series. So let's get started. Hey, hi, I am Vaibhav. I am an AI consultant. We actually share the information about artificial intelligence and latest AI news. So let's get started. Today's business idea is to you can build an app by using AI. So let's get started. So we can, first of all, we can use three tools to build an apps. Number one tool we can use, it is an ChatGPT. So we can type in the browser ChatGPT. Yeah. So you can click on this. Yeah. Many of the people knows the ChatGPT. It is an AI tool. Okay. So you can give a prompt like give me. So we can take an example of we want one website. It is an restaurant website. Okay. So we can give a prompt like give me code for restaurant website. You can also give a restaurant app in. So in which language? So we can take a Python language. It is best for us. Yeah. So we can enter. Yeah. So it can actually give you all the front end, back end, and database code for you. Okay. So that's very interesting. Yeah. So you can see that he given a code. Okay. So like we also it is not a scrolling. Okay. Okay. Answer in chat. Okay. We can give repeat. Sometime it give me some kind of a problem. Okay. So it is there is some issue in the chat GPT. Okay. So they are continuously upgrading the chat GPT. Because of that many of the times they give some error. So we can again type and a prompt like give me code for restaurant app in Python. Okay. See, it can give you. So we hope that it will give you. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the overall code. Yeah. It actually very smoothly they give us code. Yeah. So this is the overall code. So you can copy this code, and second step we can use GitHub. Okay. So many other people knows the GitHub. It is an repository tool. So you can store all the code in this repository. So yeah. So you can use GitHub, and you can make a multiple folders for front end, back end, and you can paste this code. Okay. So after then the next tool you can use, it is a AWS. So if you want to build an app, so you want some cloud or data center to store all the things or all the data. So you can use AWS that can give you servers, virtual servers to run that application. Okay. Because many of the apps want storage and the machine to run. Okay. So that's very interesting. In the AWS it is a virtual machine. They give a virtual machine, and you can operate that. You can scale that machine, like let's say example of my laptop, it is an 8 GB RAM and 1 TB of external, okay, storage. So we didn't actually increase this storage and RAM, okay, instantly. So in the AWS, they actually give you the power to increase or scale and scale down their all the measures and the storage and RAM. So that's very interesting. So you can use AWS for implementing. So you can see and watch many of the multiple videos on YouTube on AWS. So you can create a virtual machine, and on the virtual machine you can implement or you can build the app. Okay, if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.